Today's focus is on navigating streets with no stop signs, especially those with obstructed views and dangerous intersections where cars are known to blindly shoot out. This is a real hazard, and it happens daily on some of our routes. Picture this. You're driving down a street with no stop signs, so there's no legal requirement to stop. But on almost every block, there's an intersection with poor visibility. That might be because of parked cars, trees or poles, or the limit lines being set so far back that drivers have to inch into the intersection just to see. These intersections become traps because cars creep up or even jump out suddenly, hoping to beat traffic without being able to see. That includes you. Here's what we expect from professional bus operators when approaching these danger zones. 1. Scan left, right, left. As you approach each intersection, do a quick scan. Left, right, and left again. Look for movement behind parked cars, tire angles, shadows, or anything that signals a vehicle is about to pull out. 2. Cover the brake. Keep your foot hovering over the service brake. We call this covering the brake, so you're ready to apply pressure immediately. This isn't riding the brake, but being ready to engage it instantly. 3. Speed control. Adjust your speed. If you can't see clearly through the intersection, it's not a go-for-it zone. It's a creep and clear moment. Remember, if you can't see, you don't go. 4. Eye contact with drivers, if possible. If you see a vehicle trying to nose out, try to make eye contact. If not possible, assume they don't see you and may pull out. 5. Be prepared to stop. Even though you have the right of way, that doesn't mean you'll be safe. If you're already covering the brake and scanning properly, you'll be prepared to stop before impact. We don't take chances. We take responsibility. And at the end of every shift, our goal is simple. Everyone goes home safe. Passengers, pedestrians, you. That's the Samtrans standard. That's the professional operator's mindset. Stay alert, stay sharp, and always stay safe.